It's raining today, and since we're stuck inside, we're going to do some training, and then I have a game for Kuzy to play after we're done. Spin. Top. Nice job. Shake. Speak. One more time. Speak. Heel. Good. You're just a smart guy. You just like listening. All right, we're gonna use this towel. Put a bunch of treats in here. Just kind of roll it all up. Help him out a little. There's one right there. Oh my. I think you got it all. If you made it this far in the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. See y'all next time.